YouTubers. I'm doing some steamed fish, and you can now see this is the okra, carrot, pumpkin, coconut, boiling down in the coconut juice, and I put scallion, thyme, bell pepper, onion, garlic, and some fish seasoning. And this is a fish. Look at them. Big fish then, snapper. And some crackers, water crackers. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm steaming it. My son's birthday today, so I'm just steaming some fish for him. That's my son, right? So you can see, I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That is the way Aunty Clair do our steamed fish. So look at it, bubbling away. Look,
nice.
Beautiful, ain't it?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Ah, bless and keep.
Mess up.
Nice. Look at it. Pepper, everything in it. When you eat it, delicious. Delicious. I'm now putting in the fish. You can see. Wow. Wow. Look at it.
Nice.
Isn't it beautiful? Yes. Beautiful. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah.
I want you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do her steamed fish. Lots of seasoning. Okra. Lots of okra. Good for you. Good for him too. Use it up. Okay? Look at